even though technically they're the same mob.
Oh, you might want to link your routes to these guys.
I did
already.
Oh, I didn't see it. Oh, you did. Look at that.
We're still lusting the first pull, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I guess we don't need to tell anyone that because you're gonna do it.
Unless we want to change that, but I think
Went pretty well last time.
We get
and like we were saying before, we get 4 less.
We get 4 less, but 2 of them are on trash. It's the kind of downside.
There is some tech, by the way,
4,
with my
3,
unraveling spindle
2,
on those 2
1.
dragons that you can pull things through the wall, apparently.
Interesting.
I'm not going to try it.
Let's not try that right now, yeah.
Watch your step.
Can you pull this guy in?
Oh, I gripped those the wrong way. Sorry, didn't mean to bring it over to that roll.
Watch your step.
Now I'm doing it again.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
Cleared. 2 spawned.
Watch your step. Watch your step.
This guy's so big.
Afflicted.
10 bolsters.
Afflicted.
11. Oh my goodness.
Cleared.
He's a
You
big
can
boy.
go
2
into
spawned.
maiden.
I mean, there's really not much point, honestly, because it's just going to bolster her. He's about to die. I just let him die.
Yeah.
No reason to bolster Maiden. Okay, now go ahead.
Don't pull those.
I think it's okay. It went fine last
AOE
time.
incoming.
Ah.
Watch your roll.
Oh, other than I fucked up. I'm not even
AOE
in that,
incoming.
but okay. That's gonna kill me. Yeah. I literally was not in
AOE
that sun.
incoming.
Like,
Watch your
Yeah, don't you love it when the things fucking like
don't match the animation.
AOE
Yeah, it's so
incoming.
good.
Yep. One of the worst offenders is those fucking circles on the last boss of Darkheart.
Yeah.
Watch your
Gotten hit by those like
Watch out for
5
the
yards
orb.
outside.
Yeah, you have to be like already moving when they come out. It's super
Afflicted.
dumb.
Afflicted.
2 spawned.
AOE incoming.
So what do
Clear.
I just pull this other pack by itself then?
Watch your
Pull
I mean,
it with
you could pull it now.
yeah, you can pull it now
AOE
Just don't want her
incoming.
mastered.
because we'll kill maiden before.
The patrol had just gone over there, unfortunately. I don't
Can't
have
get
that.
it.
Volley.
Just
Oh,
pull
I
the
did have it
lizard
actually.
guy first, so that we can
The-
get some
the
damage.
mini
on
boss?
him.
Okay.
Yeah.
He starts the RP.
Afflicted.
Cleared.
The patrol is
1
gonna come
spawned.
in too at some
Charging.
point.
Move.
You want me to like fear the patrol away?
You could. How far does it come?
You can pull them in. Like,
As long as we're, I wouldn't
Charging.
do it now.
Hmm.
I would let some of this stuff die. I think that's.
Yeah, I fear sigiled it for now.
Yeah,
oh, fuck you, dude.
Afflicted.
I can't say.
1 spawned.
But you're
Here's my
safe.
cheat.
Cleared.
I got it.
Thank you.
Yep.
If I'm like just a second too late running
Slow,
in there,
yeah.
Charging.
Okay, they're
Move.
out, and one of them's casting volley.
Oh fuck! I didn't see that. Sorry.
I get enough.
I tried to barrier, but it's not the one that hits everybody. So your cheat might proc, but I'm trying to come before it does. Oh, there it is.
Afflicted.
That was too.
Afflicted.
Charging.
I can't get this
2
volley.
spawned. Cleared.
Oh god, I can't get that. Get over
I
there.
hate not having a stop. I literally, there was nothing I could do.
Charging. Move.
I'm
2, 1.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
2 spawned. Cleared.
Charging. Move.
oh, that's bullshit. Fucking gonna kill this bitch.
Three, two, 1.
Charging. Move.
It's slower than last time.
Yeah. 15 seconds ish, I think. Maybe 30.
I think it was about 30.
We also had the maybe a couple more deaths, but
3 more. I died twice last time, and I was the only person to die. I think when he roars, you can flame stitch it now, and it should.
oh, were you able to get both of those dusk?
With Master Spell, yeah, but I can only do it once every 2 minutes. I just don't want a chance fucking it up again.
Afflicted.
Group
Help
seven.
sir.
Afflicted.
2 spawned. Cleared.
You can take him. Oh, never mind. Not yet.
Shockwave.
Now you can take him towards the middle, so the melee can still hit him while doing.
It's okay.
Yeah, that's perfect.
You can use the entire platform too. That was one
He
thing
knows
that
that,
was.
but the
One's
Oh,
gonna go.
last time you guys told me that I was
Afflicted.
using too much space, so now I'm trying to
Afflicted.
use less.
2 spawned.
When we did the
Cleared.
26
yeah, you're
last week.
removing a lot that time. I think
Oh,
you're
I
doing
don't
this
know.
is perfect. I don't know what he's saying. Don't worry about what comms is.
Help sir.
Okay, learn my lesson. Not dispelling it until we have help. I always forget that that like does AoE damage. 'Cause it's
Afflicted.
like, what's the point of the fucking
Afflicted.
circle then?
2 spawned.
Like it still hits
Cleared.
everybody when the circle is not there. Towards the middle.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
I don't know if he would have even. I don't even know if he would have made it there after the he wouldn't have even made it all the way after the leap or after the frontal.
Yeah, it's still better like halfway than not at all. 'cause,
Afflicted.
Like, the rogues just can't
Afflicted.
do damage right now.
2 spawned. Cleared.
Yeah.
Start breaking the shield early.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, that time I don't know. I don't think he would have even made it halfway, but I'll try to. I'm just
Yeah,
really
there
not
wouldn't
used to
have been
doing
a
that.
lot of time. Either bait or soak.
Shockwave.
3, 2, 1.
Help sir.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
2 spawned. Cleared.
Shockwave. Watch your
So middle now.
Yeah.
Three, two, 1.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
2 spawned. Cleared.
Shockwave.
I'm literally lightheaded
It's
from
gonna be
coughing.
some poo-poo.
Horrible.
Yeah, man, that's gotta suck.
We gotta get this guy. No, we're gonna get another phase.
Should be fine.
Shockwave.
14 seconds.
No, it's
Yeah, you
6
can-
seconds.
Oh,
Afflicted
7.
is in 14.
No, I'm looking at the when he
Siphon
dies.
ozone
Oh
was in.
God.
Yeah, no, I have a timer on him. when he dies
2, 1.
based on DPS.
That
Oh, I
that
see.
difference might have literally
Afflicted.
like
One
that's, like,
spawned.
nothing. That's
Cleared.
like a crit. Couple more
2 million.
crits. Yeah. That's like a crit on something big, like my staff didn't crit and only did 500k instead of a mil.
Help sir.
Sucks that the shield is like so much more than the amount of health he had left. I'm pulling these
We're
down.
actually with 10 minutes on him. Technically, this is time.
We're overtime.
No, we're on time,
Oh, we're on time. Okay.
so it's fine. From what I read, that's what you're supposed to be on.
Afflicted.
One spawned. Cleared.
Watch your step. AOE incoming.
I can't remember. Does this guy do a breath frontal? I'm trying to.
Afflicted.
No.
So I think
Afflicted.
it's the other one when they're
Two spawned.
dragons.
Yeah, the other one. Okay.
Cleared.
Got him.
Watch your step.
I absolutely hate that breath because it's so hard to see the swirly that will on me for fucking like 10 seconds if it happens during the breath.
Now get this guy over
Watch
with.
your step.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
Slightly waste.
That was
Two spawned.
You had like a million
Cleared.
when you said that. Especially since we're lesting the next pull. Oh my god, I didn't even touch anything.
Ooh,
I know. I love that, right?
Sometimes it just lets you get past even when you do touch something, and then other times it's like, yeah, that was a mile away. We're gonna count it.
I'm just got fucked. The person in front of me. Wow. I didn't even get touched that time.
And the other, like the outer like
made
edge
it.
of where those big frontals fucking finish is like
Somebody
really,
start
really
that.
like. Yeah, I did. It's really hard to tell where the frontals end because they
Okay,
just
it's
fade away.
open in 1 second. It's open
I'm
now.
through. We all make it.
Yeah.
He's here, Les.
Watch your step. Breath incoming. AOE incoming. Watch your step. Watch your step.
3, 2,
Afflicted. Afflicted.
Watch your step.
Two spawned.
AOE
Cleared.
incoming. Breath incoming. Watch your step.
Nope. They must have fixed that
Did you try
unlimited
to
range.
spindle through the thing?
Yeah, they
Yeah.
must have fixed it.
You can send
What
a
happened to
pet
not
in.
trying that? You're like, I'm not gonna
I
try
was in
it.
position and the guy was almost dead. I just wanted to see if it would work.
Afflicted.
One spawned.
Shockwave.
Cleared.
So with the Demon Hunter tank, we can CC the ads on Morochi in the middle, but
I don't like to do that. They ask and I said
Afflicted.
no.
I
Clear.
don't like
As
do
soon
it either.
as
One
as
spawned.
if one gets out, then it just kills somebody. Like every fucking time.
Yeah. And you're not ready with any cooldowns when it
No,
happens.
I use my
like,
cooldowns and then they get CC'd and then afterwards they break out and all my cooldowns are gone and we die. Because I have to know when the damage is coming. If the damage comes randomly at some other time, then we're pretty fine.
3, 2, 1.
Not often.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
2 spawned. Cleared.
Trying to kill one.
Afflicted.
1 spawned. Cleared.
Don't forget to set focus.
Oops. Not what I meant to do.
2, 1.
That was a fat
Afflicted.
finger right after I said focus.
Afflicted.
What did you do?
Cleared.
I just
2 spawned.
rescued him.
Oh. Whoops. Little whoopsie rescue.
Because it's my Q button, so I like right next to my W after I was moving forward, I just hit it.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
2 spawned. Cleared.
Do you want to go Moroshi first?
Yeah, I think we need to for less.
Okay.
If we went less on battlefield. We have to remember to kill the things after. Because
Oh,
I
the
don't think it'll
pendule,
take
yeah.
us 7 minutes to kill the trash at battlefield. 6
Probably
minutes.
not.
I don't know. It might come up during the fight. I guess we already
It-
committed.
It comes up with like 3 minutes, or you start to fight with like 3 minutes left.
Oh, it'll be up right at the end then. That's kind of awkward.
Because it's probably better to shroud those worms if we get a
Yeah,
bad.
because we can have a bad pad on those this time. We'll just walk past it with Soothe. I'm gonna mark this way so that I don't forget that's... Wait, that's not where we're going. We're going that
We're
way.
going that way, yeah.
Set focus.
Shockwave.
3, 2, 1.
Afflicted.
1 spawned. Cleared.
Breath incoming.
Star.
Star.
Shockwave.
3,
Watch your step.
1.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
Cleared. 2 spawned.
Shockwave.
Cam, yours is still on you.
It got CC'd by somebody.
Yeah,
It's
that
right
can
here.
it.
Afflicted.
Cleared.
Oh, nice.
1
cheese.
spawned.
That was
That was a good
amazing.
chase, yeah.
That was.
I can clip
Dude,
that for
was,
you if you want.
That was
I'll take it.
fucking pro move right there. That was like,
I'm glad
I was
my
about to
fear
blow
didn't make
back.
it run out of your chains. I would have felt bad.
I already tried chainsing it before that, but it didn't work. I missed it.
No, we didn't need to know that. We could have just gone on thinking you were a god among demon hunters.
1.
Afflicted.
Oh, you don't already think
1
that?
spawned.
Oh, wow, that's unfortunate
Cleared.
for you.
Shockwave. Watch your feet.
Oh, I'm
Watch your step.
not in trouble. I just had to go on a little journey.
Shockwave. Breath incoming.
Moon, right? No. That's
Afflicted.
That's ears. That's ears.
Afflicted.
Two spawned.
I can get this one.
Cleared.
Got it.
Thank God, because it's very far away from me.
Shockwave.
Yeah, I was like, my range on my dispel is farther than 25 minutes, or whatever my
30.
range is.
They upped your range to 30 at some point.
Shockwave.
Oh,
Oh,
shit! The
fuck.
thing I was going.
That was
to
my
went
cheat.
away.
3,
Watch your step.
2, 1.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
Two spawned. Cleared.
Shockwave. Shockwave.
I
Cam,
don't
yours
have
is
a.
coming.
Breath incoming.
3, 2, 1.
Afflicted.
Moon.
One spawned.
I don't know where that is. But it's going
Cleared.
Far
Shockwave.
side, yeah. There's no way to.
away.
Oh, I didn't even
Yeah.
see it.
I think I was out of range of it actually.
It might
Go on
have been,
me.
but I ran towards it trying to dispel it. That got it.
I
Shockwave.
think I must have been like just at the very like edge of it, the range, because
2,
yeah,
1.
I didn't think I'd be
Afflicted.
out of range, but I was.
Afflicted.
Two spawned. Cleared.
That was pretty good.
We're waiting for it to go the other way, I guess.
You can just
Oh.
go around this corner.
It's got a pretty big, like, you don't
Thank you.
need to worry about it too much. Oh, you got it. I don't know what this weak aura compares my kills to.
Yeah, I haven't been very clear on that either. I get two different comparisons.
Pat's good.
Yeah.
I'm wondering, like, how do you like 3-chest this dungeon? Like, is it even
Just-
possible? Like, it's
No.
yeah.
On like a 15 maybe, with people
Even
that do
2-chesting it,
28s.
man. Like, even to 2-chest it is pretty crazy to think of. Like,
Okay, if we want 3 lusts,
your
we need
step?
to lust. So it's up at 4th lust, I mean. That's the problem, this route. If we lust now, we'll have it 3 minutes before the end of the dungeon.
oh, I didn't see those coming out. Okay, got him.
2, 1.
Afflicted.
Gonna get attacked very much
One spawned.
Watch your step.
Cleared.
after they
Oh god.
Got him.
I wish I could hold those things in for us to like do with the other trash.
Yeah, the other pack, yeah.
I don't think it's possible though. Maybe with a pet, like a warlock pet or a hunter pet, but
2, 1.
like we used to do
Afflicted.
with the Tyrannical side.
Afflicted.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Cleared.
Pulling the guys through the
Two
wall.
spawned.
yeah.
The tormented affix or whatever, the guy. That would
Oh, yeah,
pull
that
through
too.
into
I
the
forgot
first
about
boss, or into the first boss room. Yeah. And then you'd always be standing there for like what felt like an hour waiting for
Oh
the
yeah,
pet to
in,
go out there.
that's
and come
not
back.
even the one I was thinking of, but yeah, through the gateway or whatever.
Anywhere in the maze, you could pull like extra packs. Yeah.
Yeah, I was
remember
thinking in the
that.
maze, but yeah, in
2,
Depot,
1.
Grim Rail Depot, on the first boss.
Oh, that that
Yeah,
too.
you could
Yeah.
pull that through the wall and into the.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
The
to get
shrouded guy.
faded.
Yeah,
Yeah, to get the
They're-
faded
yeah,
thing.
yeah. That's right. I remember that.
Affix was called.
Shrouded.
Yeah.
2, 1.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
I
Cleared.
can't use
2 spawned.
cauterize to clear on this one.
Get ready to bait.
Shockwave. Whirlwind.
Oh god. Hello, Spinny boy.
3, 2, 1.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
2
Where's
spawned.
the other one?
I got it. I got
Clear.
it.
Literally on top of the. Okay.
Yeah, it took me a second to find it. Bait.
Shockwave.
I don't know if that got interrupted. I think it did.
Yep.
Chains. But I don't know if it
I
got
think it's on the road. It seems to be
It
dying.
was. I just cauterized it.
Whirlwind.
You must have done
Afflicted.
it immediately after chain.
Afflicted.
I
Two
do it as quickly as
spawned.
possible because it
Cleared.
reloads for Dusk to heal and it puts him
Oh
behind.
yeah. I mean, just like it must have been like
It's
right after I
after.
changed. Oh, it's right away.
It's not always right away. That one was.
I don't have another chains right now. I can
Shockwave.
silence sigil that guy, but that's about it.
Okay, I healed through that one.
2, 1.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
2
Whirlwind.
I don't
spawned.
have any sigils right now.
Oh
Okay,
god,
I
it's
got
on
there.
me.
Cleared.
Come on. Oh my god, this is right on my fucking tail.
Try to stay in that cam. It's
Shockwave.
mostly for you.
Thank you.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
2 spawned. Cleared.
Whirlwind.
Yeah, this mortal strike suck.
Yeah. So.
Oh, that archer's way over there.
Oh, I think you guys got that stun. No, good job. We need to bait here in a couple seconds.
2, 1.
Shockwave.
Oh, I got your bait.
Whirlwind.
Arrow. Nice.
Three, two, one.
Afflicted.
So
Afflicted.
we have to do the trash.
2 spawned. Cleared.
Shockwave.
Two seconds.
Whirlwind.
It's trash.
This pack right here.
There's interrupts that go out.
3, 2, 1.
Afflicted.
1 spawned. Cleared.
I don't have anything for that.
The rogue has this pick. This was really slow to use it.
2, 1.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
They don't matter.
Now we
Cleared.
go
Back
back
the
this
other
way.
way. Yeah.
2 spawned.
And this might be a shroud.
Except he's not with us.
Oh, he's not with us.
Ran the
Perfectly
wrong way.
fine. We can just wait. Yeah.
Yeah, we're not timing.
Yeah, no, we're not. We need to be done the third boss. I found usually around like 27 minutes if you can be. Could it be tight? No, it's gonna be not timed.
We're gonna set a prio.
Fuck this dungeon, man. Fuck this timer. This must be what this must be what DOS felt like before they extended the timer twice.
Yeah, it was so
It was like 36 minutes or something originally, or 35, and then it got up to 43 by the end of it. Can orbs go on Evoker too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, they can go
Normally,
on, if they're on him and you stay in it, Cobb.
yep. Yeah, that's what I was saying with setting a prio. On a plug, it worked really well.
Set focus, too, Cobb.
AOE incoming.
Kick, 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 kick.
Sorry.
Breath
What's
incoming.
that?
They didn't seem to get a shield, or did you dispel it
He
off?
got a shield. Yeah. It was just not a lot.
Afflicted.
Oh, okay.
It wasn't
One
the
spawned.
dispellable kind. That's
Cleared.
that other thing.
I didn't think they were dispellable. I thought the shield from that was like huge. Like I thought it was like 60% of their health.
I don't
This
know.
last boss takes 5.5 minutes.
AOE incoming.
Less for it. I don't know.
Yeah, this boss takes too long, and there's
We had
any
a lot of
RP,
yeah.
a minute of RP before we can pull it. That would be another thing if they removed all the RP from this dungeon. That would help a lot on the timer.
Yeah, and we removed a lot of it, but not enough.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Yo.
What up?
Like, this is what I mean. Like, 5 deaths.
Like it was a fairly clean run. All of
wasn't
those
even
were
a
on the
wipe,
first, like it
Yeah.
was all on the first area, and it wasn't a wipe. Like yeah, and we're still like, not gonna time this.
Well, we got 4 minutes.
I'll wait 4 minutes to ask anything then.
Afflicted.
One spawned. Cleared.
Okay, move out, Cobb.
Breath incoming. Dispel.
Okay, I'm not gonna.
Afflicted.
One spawned. Cleared.
I'm in one.
This next frontal is gonna be
You
dangerous.
have paints up on you for the next.
Okay.
Breath
Thank you.
incoming.
Man, that was even in meta. Paints up. Still did like 40% of my health.
Yeah,
Dispel.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
Two spawned.
Breath
Cleared.
incoming. Dispel.
I'm in one, Cobb.
Okay. I like to double check on that one because it's the
Yeah, for sure.
Druid.
Can you res him, Cobb?
Yep.
It's the dispel I didn't have. That one.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
Two spawned. Cleared.
I'm in one.
Man, these little ads that spawn just like absolutely hate to obey my threat.
stack.
Watch your step.
Which way are you moving?
I'm going this way, like that general,
Towards
not
the
quite that way, but like yeah.
2, 1.
You can less. Cobb.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
Breath incoming.
Two spawned.
I gotta get over to get that one.
Cleared.
I'm holding brand for the next breath.
I'm in one.
Boom,
You're
you
not
moved out.
in it, right? Okay.
Watch your step.
I'm using brand here on this breath.
Breath incoming.
2,
Afflicted.
1 spawned.
I got it.
Cleared.
I'm in one.
I'm out.
Watch your step.
I'll come over there in a second. I'm sorry, I just want to not get the breath on you guys.
Can you rescue me, Cobb, right now before the balls come out?
2, 1.
I'll get the one by you.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
2 spawned.
Watch your step.
Cleared.
Breath incoming.
I'm in yours.
Yeah, we're gonna miss
Watch
it by
your
like
step.
30 seconds or a minute.
Afflicted.
1 spawned. Cleared.
Breath incoming.
Yeah, we got a minute before we kill.
Well, that's not counting the dragon damage, but yeah, we're gonna be over. I'm in one. I'm gonna be over by like 15 seconds, I
Watch your
think.
step.
20. It's literally just gonna be whatever the death stat at too.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
2 spawned.
I don't know where the other one is. Oh,
I got it.
Cleared.
Got it. The death stat up to 30. I'm in one cup. The death stat up to 30 seconds.
Watch your
So
step.
we're over without. But if
Yeah.
you add the time that we lost for the DPS
Yeah.
dying,
So you have to do
literally
this run
have to
fucking
be perfect.
Like,
Yep.
yeah, ridiculous, dude. Just ridiculous.
Breath incoming.
Afflicted. Afflicted.
Like a lot of the other
Cleared.
keys, you can have 15
Two
deaths and
spawned.
still even maybe 2 chested. Like in some of the other ones, it's like as long as they're not like low wipes on a boss or something.
At least the rogue got all.
it was just the first. It was the first boss. If we had phased it before it did that shield, I think that shield added that much time.
Yeah, if
I don't like the lust there. I think on Tyran you just lose the lust and you have 3 on bosses. I think it's better. People don't like to do that first pull without lust, but like it doesn't make that big of a difference. Like the reason to do it is if you're gonna run out of CC, but either way we're getting to like the second round of cams, chains and stuff, so it's not really saving anything. Like
Oh, got a quantum thing. I haven't got a quantum item out of this